Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a payment link on Whop. So first you have to simply find this navigation section at the left side of your screen. Now go to the dashboard here. After that you have to simply click on your Whops. Then whenever you are creating a Whops here, you can find your checkout links here. So where you can add your checkout or create a checkout link here, this is your payment link actually. So you can simply click on it, and from here you can choose the Whop here that you actually have created. Then you can set a pricing like one time. Then you can set a pricing from here, like I'm going to add a pricing here. Now revoke access automatically after 7 days or 1 month. You can set it if you want. So now if you don't want to expire this link, then you can select this never expired. Now here is stock if you want, so unlimited or internal name or redirect URL. Now you payment option, you can add some payment option like card or PayPal or crypto. If you have added your PayPal account on Whop, then you can add the PayPal or the bank account, or if you add any crypto wallet like Solana or USDT, then you can select crypto also. Now from here I'm going with this true one. Now simply click on create button here. Now here you can see the checkout link copied to clipboard. So here you can see that already have created the checkout link. You can simply click on copy link button from here, and you can get your checkout link or the payment link from Whop. So you can go your Whops also, where you can find all of your Whops that you have created. So you can simply click on your Whop here, and from here you can simply post it, or here is store page, or like this. Now where you can actually go down below, and where you can find the pricing, where you can simply manage the pricing from here, and you can actually find the pricing that you have set. You can simply click on it, and you can simply click on the edit button here, where you can set the pricing if you want. So you can also click it only accessible via link, so they can only access your Whop with that link after payment. So here you can see payment link description. You can set it, so you can tell the users what they have to do with that payment link. So you can also add some redirect URL if you want to redirect that traffic in another section here. Now from here you can add some questions and add anything like this, and it's pretty much okay. Save. After saving the pricing here, you can see pricing link. The pricing link is now copied to clipboard. Okay, and you can also create one. Click on it and create pricing link, where you can go with the paid one here. So you need to set up payouts before you being able to share pricing links. So first you have to set up some payment methods like your bank account or your credit card or anything from here. Now simply click on continue. Now single payment or subscription, you can choose the type of payment here. Now subscription, and you can set the amount here like $20 per month and unlimited, and add a free trial if you want so, or add an initial fee. You can enable split pay, then add a waiting list. It's up to you how you can go with this. Now like this, all of these continue. Now simply here you can see that it has just created the link here. So you can simply click on this link button here to copy this payment link on your clipboard, and you can share that link. So that's how you can create a payment link on Whop. It's pretty simple. Hope you like this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.